Hello, my name is Hannah Norman, as the kids call me Mrs. Norman. I teach kindergarten and I want to answer a couple questions for you. Um, Something that has happened that is very remarkable in my classroom is I would say when sometimes we take these quizzes where it's kind of like an interactive game, and it's so fun to watch the kids cheer each other on because it tells if they're right or wrong. And a lot of times they're muted, but sometimes they'll be like, "Yay!" And they kind of like smile with each other and they just love like cheering each other on. And I think that's so awesome in the classroom that it's not a competition, but they're excited for each other and they cheer each other on. I really love that. Another thing that I do in my classroom to be more innovative, and as a virtual kindergarten teacher, I think I definitely have to do this because of their attention spans. So, one thing that I like to do in my classroom is to obviously have virtual activities, but also to include physical activities, more hands on experiences that they can have in their classroom, because especially for kindergartners, it's very important for them to learn how to write and to use pencils. So not just everything virtually, but I would say throughout the week we do some things hands-on and we do some things virtually, and I really try to cater to all learning styles. Something I've actually done this week is a science experiment. So that was really fun for us to do together. I kind of performed it on my end of it, but they had like a worksheet where they got to predict and draw what they think was going to happen. And next week, I think I'll try and get with the facilitator to see if maybe she can actually grab some apples for them to use in the classroom as well. Because even though we're virtual, I love the idea of being able for them to feel like I'm there, and if that's working with my facilitator so we can make that more possible, where they can perform the experiment too, that's so much fun. A couple weeks ago, we did M&M experiment, and they all got to eat M&Ms with me.